Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to play YouTube music on Discord. Are you looking for a quick guide how to play YouTube music on Discord? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right. So to set up music bot on Discord, add a music bot to your server. To add a music bot to your server, follow these simple steps. I'm gonna narrate them. Just pause the video, and after you have installed the music bot, to play YouTube music on Discord, join a voice channel on your server. And then type the command +play, right? +play, followed by the name of the song or the URL of the YouTube video. So, for example, for example, this server, right? So I just type +play, and then the link of the YouTube music or video, and then just press enter, and it's gonna start playing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.